Hello everybody, I am Vihaana and today I'm going to draw a unicorn.
Okay, so let's get our pencils and let's get started. So in the first thing that we are going to draw is the unicorn face. Somewhere like this. Right, Vihaana?
Mm-hmm.
So, next we are going to draw the neck. It goes down. And then comes the body. So, we'll just do like this. And then we are going to make two ears like this and the horn right in the middle. So then what we are going to do, we are going to draw an eye like this, a little eyeball, and I'm going to give her some eyelashes to make her cute. Then we'll do her tail and a mane that goes like this. Yeah. Then what do we have left? We have the mouth like this, and the nose. Yeah. Wow, Vihaana, it's looking so cute. And then last thing is we have to draw its 4 feet. So first feet here, second feet here. First let's draw 2 feet. Yeah. And the next 2 feet, one goes here, the other one can go here. There you go. We have a unicorn, and next we just have fun coloring it. So we are going to use color pencils, or do you want crayons? Color pencils. So let's color ours and then we'll show how it looks. Okay? Yeah, now you finished? Okay, let us. Oh, I love it. It's cute. This one is mine. I love them both, right? So cute. Okay, thank you for watching our video. Hope you liked our unicorn. See you next time. Bye-bye.